Okay, here we go. Hello, everybody. It's me, Bobby D, and welcome to Lakeside Raceway. Well, you know what's coming down the wire with Brandon's race. Everybody's testing their brains out, and I am no exception. So, I'm just gonna roll a bunch of cars, and we'll see if anything's close. Kind of like I was watching DXP a little while ago. If anything's worth greasing up, then I'll put some graphite on it. But a couple of this loose one here that already got graphited. That loose one got graphited, and that one, and that one, and that one. All of these. This is obviously too heavy, but I didn't really have anything to roll him against as a preliminary. So we'll see. We'll see if this one can keep up. Okay, I'm going to show you the pairs that I got right now. Here's pair number one. Pair number two. Pair number three. Pair number four. Pair number five. Pair number 6, 7, 8, 9, and try out for the wheel. Okay, I'm going to crack this stuff right now. Okay, there they all are. Now, these 4 cars over here are my under 30s. These 3 cars right here are my over 40s. Everything else is under 40, except for that guy over there. This is not gonna do it. I have never seen an axle bent so badly. It was like rolling sideways. Okay, we've kind of seen most of these before. This China base Lancia Stratus. It's got one good wheel. Color change in Z28. Target Special Monty. Wheels aren't that round. This is rescued from a 5-pack. Plastic top, metal base. Nice. Chevy Thundertruck. Yeah, you know. Okay. Just got this today at the flea market. Kind of a squishy suspension on this thing. Better than the first one I had, which was just, the front end was just jacked. Alright, these babies gotta roll. Let's roll now. Okay, first go the Fiat 500s. Ready, set. Okay. This one is much faster. See how he is against the Lambo. Ready, set. Whoa. Did a number on the Lambo too. Nice. Okay, so Evil Eye weighs 56 grams. Turbo Tram weighs 25 grams. Both Kenner fast ones. Ready, set. Just barely. Okay, so I was way wrong. Turbo Tram is not 25 grams. I don't know where I got that from. 40. So he's going to roll against his faster than ever Chevelle. Ready, set. Whoa. Tram with gappage. Lancia against the carbide. What the heck? It's just for giggles. Okay, there's your giggle. Color changing Camaro and Target Special Monte Carlo. Ready, set. Okay, color changer. Half a car. Those wheels had good spin on them. This is a good race. Ready, set. Nice. Matchbox Superfast Cougar. And the Reese car. Ready, set. Cougar. Nice. Great paint job. Skinny wheels. Cougar goes to the outside. Ready, set. Cougar. Great race. Man, loving it. Silverado versus Corvette Stingray. Ready, set. Good race. Silverado. How about that? Stingray with the gold wheels moves to the outside. Ready, set. Those wheels are round too. Not quite as round as that Silverado. What a roller. Holiday special Jackhammer on the outside. Bugs Bunny on the inside. Jackhammer got a janky front axle. And his wheels didn't really want to turn that well. I did what I could, but like in Bugs, ready, set. Whoa. Bugs had a lot of noise in his wheels. Jackhammer with the win. Oh. Bugs, no. I'll put Jackhammer on this side. Bugs Bunny. Nope. Jackhammer with a win. Chevy and the Lancia. Gappus. Color changer. Cougar and the Jackhammer. Green cars. Oh, Jackhammer drives around them. Wow. Let's see that again. Ready, set. Upon review of the slow motion replay, the gate was wrong. Jackhammer by a bumper. So Jackhammer versus the Silverado. Ooh. Ready, set. Sylvie. Yeah, I love this truck. This came out of the 4-pack Hot Trucks. It doesn't matter to me which lane he's in. I forgot already. Ready, set. That was close. That was real close. I couldn't tell the difference. We'll go again. Jackhammer, big time. Looks like he's warming up a little. Okay. The playing field is a little more even. Both vehicles are veterans at Speed Shop as of now. Camaro has a fighting chance. Ready, set. Close. Close. Color changing Camaro on the inside. Ready, set, go. Jackhammer with a whooping. Oh, Speed Shop didn't help him that much. Got some great wheel spin. Yeah. Okay. Turbo Tram versus the Jackhammer. Okay, they're straight. Ready, set. Ooh, that was a good race. Tram by a bumper. Tram goes to the outside. Here we go. Ready, set. Tram gets passed by the Jackhammer. What's up with that? Not what I expected. Ready, set. I think Jack had a little more of a gap. A little more. Let's do that one again. I'm gonna have to do a little testing off camera. Okay, a little official testing here. Oh! Mustang drives around. Ready, set. Whoa. Whoa. Let's see if he can do that in lane 4. Ready, set. I think when it's all said and done, Mustang falls. Mustang falls. Okay. Let's look at these two NASCARs. That one's 41 grams. This one's 50. Pontiac, Pennzoil, thick walls. Hope he's faster than Bobby. Whoa. He's fast. Pennzoil moves to the outside. Ready, set. Gappus. This one's pretty fast right out of the gate. Trying out for the wheel. One of these two guys may have what it takes. 47 grams, 50 grams. Both been to speed shop. Ready, set. Ooh. Whoa. Cobra moves to the outside. Pontiac Stalker on the inside. Ready, set. Pontiac Stalker with a kill. Yes! Screamer. Bobby is one notch up from the gate, so what the hell? Bobby versus the Pennzoil. Ready, set. Pennzoil. Boom. Appears to be the exact same casting, but I know they don't weigh the same. Ready, set. Whoa, Pennzoil on the outside. Don't believe number 3. Freaking Hot Wheels gate. Obsolete. Piece of pus. Someday soon it will be replaced with a big digital readout. Yes, it's done. It's about to be shipped. Ready, set, go. Ooh, that was really close. Move them to the outside. Let's see if we can get any bit of a space between these guys. God, they're running exactly the same. Man. One more time. Well, I think that was a janky start. Okay. Let's just make it official. A couple of yellers. Whoa. Boom. There you have it. The wheel is round. The wheel is tight. The wheel is faster than it was before. I think he's faster than Kyle. Matter of fact, I know he's faster than all the Kyles I have. Holy crap. Banana's out. Tram is almost there. I'm going to run him against one more car in a bonus. But before that, peace, love, health. God bless each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. That's all I got for now, besides this little tidbit coming up now. So I'm out of here. Bye-bye. Okay, bonus. Yeah, you guys know these are the races that really matter. Okay, bug in the Fiat. Under. Ready, set, go. Fiat with a kill. Kick ass. Whoa. Okay, so anyways, those PR5s on that 500 got some killer wheel spin right now, if you know what I mean. Reset. Yeah, it takes out the VW Concept 1. No bueno. Oh. Okay, let's see if he's got anything for... What's going on over here? Anything for the Mazda. Mazda's a little heavier. Oh! Dude! Dude! Fiat goes to the outside. Oh boy, here we go. Gonna have to roll that again. Let's try that roll one more time. Ready, set. Well, something happened to the 500. What the heck? Okay, so I think the RX-7 is just warmed up, because I ran that race a bunch of times, and yeah. Yep. 500 beats him to the bottom. RX-7 drives around him. Okay, that's that. So he's out. Couldn't do it. This guy. And this guy. Ready, set. GTO. No contest. Bonus, bonus.